Hello student, today we will discuss chapter 9 differential equation, right, as we have introduced in chapter 5 differentiation. Let us suppose differentiation of function y, that is dy by dx equal to 5, and double differentiation of y is d square y by dx square equal to 7y, and square of the single differentiation of y is 7y, and cube of the double differentiation of y is 7x. So we need to understand the degree and order of this differential equation, right? Order of differential equation means any how many times there is an how many times any function differentiate, right? Here that function y differentiate 1. The maximum number of differentiation in this equation is 1. That is, therefore the order of this equation is 1. Same way, right? Okay, this equation differentiate twice, so it's order 2. Or same way, order of this order of this is 1, order of this is 2, order of this is 2, right? Okay, degree means the highest power of the differential equation, highest power of the maximum differentiation, right? Here is maximum differentiation, here dy by dx, its highest power is 1, so its degree also 1. Same way, its degree is 2, its degree 3, its highest derivative is d square y by dx square, so its order is 2 and degree is 1, right? Same way, exercise 9.1, its higher order derivative is d to the power 4 upon dx to the power 4, so its order is 4 and degree is not defined because it's not a proper differential equation. Since inside a sine function there is y triple dash, means dy cube upon dx cube, right? Okay, now come to the exercise 9.2. In this question, we have to check whether y equal to a to the power x plus 1 is the solution of this differential equation or not. At first, I will differentiate, I will find out y dash, then y double dash, then y triple dash. We will get same. Now I will put the value of y triple dash and y dash here. We will get 0, means we are getting right hand side. It means this is satisfying to this corresponding differential equation. Hence, this is the solution of given differential equation. Now come to the question number 6. Same way, y equal to x sin x. Is this a solution of a given differential equation or not? At first, I will differentiate it by the product rule. Y dash equal to x cos x plus sin x into 1. And after this, I will multiply equation first by x y dash equal to y plus uh, x square cos x plus x sin x. X sin x means y plus x square cos x equal to y plus x square cos x means root 1 minus sin square x. Then you will put the value of sin x means y upon x whole square. After solving this, you are getting y plus x root x square minus y square. Yes, this is the solution of this differential equation. Now come to the question number 11. In this question, in question number 11, I have to find out that number of arbitrary constant in a differential equation of order 2. Right? Okay. Let us understand by help of this example. Let us suppose we have a differential equation of order 2 is d square y by dx square equal to 5. After integrating this, I am getting two arbitrary constant a and b. So we can say that if arbitrary constant is equal to the number of arbitrary constant is equal to the order of differential equation, right? Come to the exercise 9.3. First question, I have to find out its corresponding differential equation. Since in this equation there are two arbitrary constants, so we can differentiate maximum twice to this equation. Okay, after differentiating with respect to x, 1 upon a, 1 upon b divided by dx equal to 0, 1 upon b divided by dx equal to minus 1 upon a divided by dx equal to minus b upon a. Again differentiating, d square y by dx square equal to 0. This is the required differential equation of given linear equation. Okay. Now come to the question number 6. In this question we have to find out that okay, differential equation of a circle, family of circle which touch the y-axis at origin. If the circle will touch y-axis at the origin, the center of the circle will always lie in the x-axis. Let a is the radius of a circle. Therefore, coordinate of the center will be a comma 0. Equation of circle, x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equal to r square. Here x1 equal to a, y1 equal to 0 and radius equal to a. So x minus a whole square plus y square equal to a square. Differentiating with respect to x, you will get the equation this. Right? Since here is only one arbitrary constant, so you can differentiate only once. Now x minus a equal to minus y, putting in equation first, you will get twice, putting in equation second, you will get twice of minus y plus twice y dash equal to 0, twice y dash minus 2y equal to 0, which is required differential equation. Now come to the question number 9. We have given a hyperbola whose conjugate axis is transverse axis is x-axis, right? So equation of such hyperbola is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equal to 1. Here, okay, there are two arbitrary constants, so you will differentiate it twice. After differentiating with respect to x, twice y dash upon b square equal to 2x upon a square minus twice y dash upon b square equal to 0, twice y dash upon b square equal to 2x upon a square, y dash equal to b square upon a square into x. Now differentiating, now putting the value of y dash from equation second into equation, you can write in equation, at first you will differentiate equation second. By the product tool you will get this. Now putting the value of b square upon a square in equation second, you will get y dash equal to y double dash plus y dash square into x. So thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.